Hi everybody, welcome to our channel, and today we're showing one of the most special homemade syrup for flu, cough, and the throat. All you need is 1 onion, 4 cubes of garlic and lemon, and follow as seen in the video. Do not forget to subscribe to this channel.